Hi y'all, Renee here. I am here today to put together this really cute card making workshop called Daisy Meadows. I've gone ahead and I've cut out everything and done the majority of my stamping. It does come with an exclusive stamp and die set. So that's this right here. I'll show you more of that once I'm putting the cards together. It also comes with some wood hearts. So we'll be using those. I do have a little bit more stamping to do that I can't do until I've got pieces together. So I'll do a little bit of stamping on camera, but for the most part, this is just going to be putting things together. It was a bit of stamping. There was quite a bit of die cutting, but I think it'll make a big difference in the way the cards look. I think they're going to look very detailed. So I'm going to go ahead, get started on that. I'll put some music on for you, and I'll be back at the end to show you the finished product. Enjoy. these turned out so beautiful. I really, really like this kit, and this stamp set is just amazing. The dies that come with it. Just give you a closer up look of these. And the other good thing is, you notice I used a lot of these little tiny roses. They actually give you 4 of that die. So you're not having to cut each and, you know, right after the other. You could do 4 at a time, which was awesome. Now for this particular one, I just used white paper for the gate and then just sponged on some smoothie ink. And then for the wood piece, I just dyed it with the smoothie ink as well. And I just love how this all came out. Really, really pretty. So there's that one. Then this one was really fun to make, actually. All of this stamping, it didn't take as long as you would think. They give you 2 different types of grass. So you just go through, stamp one, and then stamp the other to fill it in. Used second generation stamping on these flowers. So these 3 flowers here with the little dots in the middle, that's actually the same color ink, just I stamped once off on a piece of paper and then stamped the flower, what was left of the ink. Same thing with the bird, and then did the dots in the middle with the full ink. And then these little guys, they were done on just white cardstock that I just, before I stamped it with the black ink, I just sponged on some of the Sundance color. And then on this, I just sponged a little bit of the smoothie ink there in the middle to give it some depth. And I love the way these came out. And then this one would be awesome for using up a lot of scraps, and just really turned out really cute. Now this part right here was also stamped directly on the card using that grass. I used second generation stamping on the pink flowers again, and I also used second generation stamping on some of the petals in the background, the stems, to make it look like I had this somewhere behind others, and it also gives you the look of having more ink than you do. But I really like the way this came out, and I love this right here on this banner. I think I'm going to do that again because that's a great way to use up little scraps that you have. But this will be a great project for scraps, so I will definitely keep this design. Then the last one that I did was this beautiful little one. This one had a lot more stamping going on once you got it on the card. Did second generation stamping for these petals back here. Some little tiny leaves just to show where the roses are, and then the bird was done in black with second generation stamping, which just gave it a really pretty look, and especially on this blue color, it almost makes it look like a dark blue bird. But again, really, really pretty. And all these wood embellishments that I used, they're not horribly thick. They'll still go through the mail just fine, so you don't have to pay any extra postage. So that was the Daisy Meadows card making workshop. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Let me know which of these cards were your favorites. I kind of feel like this is probably my favorite, mainly because of that stamping. It just really turned out so beautiful, and I'm going to be using this stamp set a lot. Another thing that I've seen people do is take this this die right here and cut these and make them into birthday candles to use them on birthday cards. And I can totally see that. And then all you need to do is ink up the little flame part in a yellow, and you've got yourself candles. So I thought that was very, very ingenious way to use this this stamp and die set in a different way. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having a great day, and if you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you subscribe. Just hit the red button down below. It doesn't cost anything. And with that, I will leave you until I see you the next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye.